It's Cadillac here, man. And to be honest, I was not taking this virus serious, bro. I just was not taking it serious, bro. I heard about all the lockdowns. I heard about everything, bro. I'm like, nah, man. I'm not. Who gives a fuck? Let's hop in these cars. Let's have some fun, bro. Fuck all that. But recently, I was informed that someone's family that I know has been infected by the virus and has passed away from it. So ever since then, I stopped going out, bro. I've not been enjoying my car. I got my wheels finally came. I'm still waiting on my tires, but I'm in no rush to get them because I'm not gonna be racing my car. I'm gonna be in the house like I'm supposed to be, okay? Like we are, all of us are supposed to be. Yeah, it's crazy when you don't believe something and then you start believing it because like it affects you now. Like, oh, damn, this shit is real. So I don't have any races to show y'all, just the updates and just tell everyone to stay home. And let me know how y'all feel about my new wheels. And the new name of the car. The new name of the car is Iron Man V or INV because of the new wheels, which y'all will see in the video. The light kind of sucks, but once my tires get mounted for the wheels, I'm gonna have another video, update with them actually on the car. It's kind of hard to tell, but y'all will get the gist. I hope y'all love them as much as I do. I posted them on social media already, so if y'all follow me on social media, y'all already seen them. But you haven't seen a video of them, so there's gonna be a video of them. Stay home. Stay home. This stuff is real, bro. The car shit will always be there. Families and time and reason to be with your family will not. So, hope y'all enjoyed the video. I hope y'all enjoyed the wheels. And I hope y'all staying home, watching this at home, and enjoying yourself at home and spending time with your family, man. Because it's bad out here. So, here we are. My new race stars. So, my favorite part, or the reason why I even got race star wheels, is because I love the stock CTSV wheels so much, and these were like pretty much the closest I can get to the stock wheels. As you can see, pretty similar. I love these wheels so much, and so these are kind of like transparent. They change. I'm gonna put my flash on. So right now they look very brown or like a bronze. So let me put my flash on. I also have better lighting, but I don't right now. So I'm gonna put my flash on the wheel so y'all can see it with the light on it. Hold on, let me look like that. See? So y'all can see it just like that. And these are 18 by 5. And these are my rears. These are 17 by 10, I believe, maybe 10 and a half. And yeah, I love these wheels so much. These just came in, freshly powder coated. Same thing. They're transparent, so right now they look brown, bronze. I can't tell right now. But in the sunlight, which I don't have none right now, they go to like a gold copper. Hence the new name, Iron Man V, the Heartbreaker. This is an engine bay, nothing special. Just a little black ass air filter, which I need to order a new one. Air raid intake, stock blower on it. That's pretty much it, man. I just wanted this video to show y'all my new wheels and my new updates pretty soon. Right now, I'm looking for a new shop. And also, I have a new sponsor. So, I'm gonna have more stickers on the back of my car for them. The chrome will be wrapped a different color pretty soon. Make this Cadillac. I will be getting my car ceramic coated. Cause the paint is just The previous owner of this car did not care about this car. And it's clear as daytime. It's so bad. Can't really see it in here, but I see it in the photos and stuff. Shit bothers the F out of me, bro. God damn. But let me see if I can ride these wheels. One of these wheels and put it in the sun so y'all can see it better. There's some light right here. Let's see. Yeah, you can see a little bit better. A little better now. I wish I had even more. Maybe from like this angle. Can't see what y'all seeing right now, so it definitely looks 10 times lighter though. That's it.